before it gets dark, I have time for another tree. So I'm gonna cut this one down. I say down because it's up. So we got so far. So what do you think? We get the job done?
Scott, thank you so much. You are a blessing to us. Thank you so much. I don't know how we could have gotten this done. God bless you.
God bless you, and thank you for the opportunity. Vets Helping Vets. We're both members of Brookwood, believe in God, and
Amen.
it's been a good day.
It's been a great day. You've been a busy man today.
Oh yeah, love it, love helping people.
Serving, yep.
Thank you. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You're the best.